So today let's see how to get something like this into something like this using the most basic tools. That's the size of the component. This is how it's going to go there. That's it. And one more chip, once more the same process. Nice! And the second one is finished. And testing the first one, using my DIY bench power supply and this circuit, my new transformer and inductor ring tester with in-circuit testing capability, and now inserting the other comparator into it, and it seems to be working too. And of course you probably say, why make it when you can buy it? Of course you can buy it on eBay or similar places, but you have to wait for it for over a month and it's just not as entertaining. And this also works for 6-pin chips. Then you just do this trick on this side as well. And it even works for 8-pin chips. You just have 4 stripes on a prototyping board. You split them in half. You split the inner ones like this. Then the 8-pin chip goes on it like this, and you just basically solder it and use a blob of solder to bring this one here and this one here and so on. So it ends up like this. And you don't have to make it as an adapter. This can basically go straight onto a prototyping board, which otherwise mostly uses through-hole components. So that's it, and please consider supporting my channel on Patreon. This really helps me a lot. And the new version of my ring tester will go into one of the future videos.